Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Indesit NISDP429 spin dryer. Now this model, it is purely a spin dryer. It's not a tumble dryer, so it doesn't warm the clothes or anything. With this, it's purely designed to extract water from the clothes. You may think it's a little bit old-fashioned, but to be honest, we still sell a lot of these, and there is still quite a bit of demand, especially in the UK at the moment. There are two models. There's this one, which is a 429, which has got a pump on it, and I'll show you that in a moment. There is also a sister model, the NISDG428, and with that one, that has a spout on the front, and that's what they call the gravity, so it doesn't have a pump. And with that one, you just put a bowl underneath the front, and any water that's extracted from the clothes will come out the front and basically goes into a bowl in the front. Essentially, everything I show you on this model is pretty much the same on the two, but I'll go through the differences as I go through the video. But really what I wanted to do is to show you some of the features and benefits that this offers. So let's have a look. So first of all, just cover some of the dimensions on this. So it's 34 centimeters wide, and the height of this is 60 centimeters. So if you're limited for space, or if you've had one before, because between Indesit, Creeder, Hotpoint, they have made these models for decades now. They have varied, they've sort of gone into production and gone out of production, but at the moment they are available from Indesit. With this model, it is a 4 kilogram load, so over the years it has gradually got bigger. But as I mentioned, 60 centimeters high, so the height hasn't really changed with the different models. On this one, round the back, as we turn it round, so you've got the mains lead, which is just attached on the side here. That's really good, that's 3 meters long, so that's nice to have a good long mains lead to start with. And on this is the model that's got the pump clearly, and with this one, this is about 1 meter long, just slightly over 1 meter if you're taking into account the curve. And it does come with this U-bend, so depending on where you're putting it, some people put it over a sink, or ideally you want it in more of a permanent position. So if you have got, say, a washing machine, then it'd be really good if you can ideally get, say, a T-piece or a Y-piece, where you can actually slot this over into a permanent waste pipe. I know it's only a minor point, but I'll just show you this. This is where the waste hose attaches to the bottom of the spinner. And what I do really like about this is it has got a Jubilee clip just holding it on. So a couple of advantages. If at any time you get, say, a split in the waste hose, then the ability to swap this is really easy. That's a very good design. And also, if you needed a slightly longer waste hose, if where you're taking it to isn't quite long enough within the meter, then it does mean it's really easy to swap over. Now, I know you can't change it so that it's too long, but you know, if you needed something that was, say, 20-25 centimeters longer, then you should just be able to swap that over, take the Jubilee clip off, and then swap it over for another one. So the design of this is very simple. All you need to do to open the lid is press that, and then it gives you access inside. I'll just try and move the camera to show you inside there. And as I said, it's a 4 kilogram load. It is a stainless steel drum. So it's quite a good size actually, but what you will find is don't overfill it. You will find if you try and overfill it, then it won't spin properly. But the idea is, with this you do get this mat as well. So once you put the clothes in, then because it's like a plastic finish, then it is pretty flexible. And all you need to do is, once you put the clothes in, just slot it in, and that's designed to sit on top of the clothes there. So just make sure you have got enough space in there for everything to move around properly. And then once you've got that in there, then all you do is you just shut the door, and then away it goes. And what you will find is it's a lot quicker than a washing machine being able to spin. The maximum time is normally about 3 or 4 minutes, so it's really quick, and it does get up to spin the maximum spin speed very quickly. And then when you finish with it, all you do is you just press the button on the front, and then the door opens. What you will find is there is like a safety catch on it, so you press that button once and that will stop it, and then you just press the door down a little bit, and then that comes up. So if you just had one of these, because on the odd occasion we do get some people where they press the button and they think the door isn't working properly and they go to press it down again. So just a tip that if you have one of these, or if you're not too sure, then press the button once, and as I say, that's designed to stop the clothes spinning, but for safety reasons that has still left the door shut. Press it down a little bit and then the door will come up. Now what you can also do is you can actually rinse clothes, and the way you do that is basically when you put the clothes in, make sure it's no more than 2/3 full in there, you can't have it too full. And then to rinse them, all you do is you put maximum 5 litres of water in. So you just put it in there and just let all the water drain through, and then you can start it going by just shutting the lid, and then you'll find that all of the water will just come out through the waste hose. If you're thinking of buying one of these spin dryers, then I have provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. I know it's just a really quick video and it's not very long, but hopefully I've just taken you through some of the features and benefits that this model offers. But I hope you've enjoyed the video on the Indesit NISDP429, or the sister model, the NISDG428. Please give us a thumbs up on a YouTube video. Leave any comments below. I'd always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad about the video, or whether you've got one of these, and just let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching.